Yara Marine Technologies delivers custom-designed inline wet scrubbers that comply with IMO regulations of reducing SOx emissions to 0.5% globally and 0.1% inside SECA zones. The Yara Marine Scrubber is the most economical way to comply with the IMO SOx emission regulations. The system is easy to install during regular docking and can also, in some cases, be completely installed while in operation. Our most common model type has no moving parts and does not require a bypass. It is very easy to operate. It can be delivered as a single unit or multi-engine inlet and can handle any sulfur content up to 3.5%. The scrubber replaces the silencer and has a corresponding sound-absorbing effect. It is manufactured from superior quality corrosion-resistant nickel alloys to mitigate the corrosive environment inside the scrubber. The crew monitors and operates the scrubber system by an intuitive touch panel. The design is simple. In open loop mode, seawater is pumped from the sea chest through the scrubber, and the wash water is discharged to sea. This is compliant with IMO regulations. The system can operate in open loop mode until the vessel enters a zero discharge zone. If the vessel enters a zero discharge zone, typically coastal waters in some countries or ports, the system can be switched to closed loop mode by one touch or triggered by the vessel control system. The seawater intake is now closed, and wash water circulates in the system via a process tank and a heat exchanger. A small amount of wash water is continuously cleaned by a water treatment unit to keep the solid content to a controlled level. In order to maintain exhaust gas scrubbing capacity in closed-loop mode, an alkali such as magnesium oxide, caustic soda, or sodium carbonate is added to the wash water. A smaller quantity of treated wash water is discharged to a holding tank and replaced by fresh seawater via a small makeup pump if extended sailing time in closed loop is necessary. The holding tank can be any void space on board and can be emptied to sea when the vessel exits the zero discharge zone. The scrubber is of high quality and has a superior material choice, small footprint, low installation cost, and easy operation. Replacing the silencer, not requiring a bypass, no moving parts, and with the flexibility to use different types of alkali, it can be fitted into any vessel type. Install a Yara Marine scrubber system for successful IMO 2020 compliance.